What is asana? What are the yoga postures? Well, in yoga, the Patanjali lineage takes an 8-limb path. Patanjali is kind of like the big daddy of yoga. He took the Vedas and the Upanishads and interpreted them into the Yoga Sutra. And in his Yoga Sutra, he described an 8-limb path of yoga. Asana, our physical practice, is just one out of the 8 limbs of yoga. So essentially, asana, physical yoga practice, or going to a yoga class, is just 1/8 of the whole practice of yoga. The word asana itself means a seat. The reason why we practice the postures is so that we can learn to sit comfortably. The asana practice is wonderful for getting out our extra energy in our bodies, as well as getting our bodies physically strong enough and flexible enough so that we can take a comfortable seat. We practice asana yoga poses in order to find stillness. We practice asana so that we can take a seat. Once we find stillness, once we find a seat, we can practice meditation, we can listen to the immense wisdom that exists in our minds, in our hearts, in our souls, and in the whole universe. Asana means seat. We practice the yoga postures to help us learn how to be still and how to sit and tap into our innate wisdom.